If you are only relying on referrals to grow your business in 2026, you are screwed. That is the worst place to be in business. And in this quick video, I'm going to break down why this is a really slippery slope and why it's a trap, and how to actually build a business that brings you leads every single day. That way you're not relying on referrals. But first things first, relying on referrals is like gambling. It's a gamble. This month, I hope we get some referrals. This month, I hope someone mentions our name so you can make payroll and make rent. Like, that is a scary place to be in. That's terrifying. You have zero control. Let's be real. You have zero control. Therefore, you can't say, "Oh, I want to grow my business," because you're not in control of the inputs that can allow you to actually grow your business. There's no lever you can pull to double down. There's no lever I can pull and be like, all right, this month I got 10 referrals, right? And I love referrals. Don't get me wrong. All my clients refer me out all the time, and those are the easiest sales ever. But that's like 4% of my sales, right? Because we cracked cold acquisition, we cracked local ads, and we cracked ads. And so what you need to understand is you need to take acquisition into your own hands. I don't care what stage you're at, you're in your business. You could be in your first 6 months of business. You could be in your first year. You could be in your first couple years of business. The one thing you need to understand is solving your client acquisition problem solves everything else in your business. Once you solve client acquisition, you don't have to stress about payroll. You don't have to stress about paying your rent. You don't have to stress about paying anybody. You can finally afford to employ people at your company so you can actually grow and not do BS tasks 24/7. You need to understand that customer acquisition is literally the key. It's the key to actually growing your business, and referrals is not, it's not even like, it's nowhere near what you need in order to grow. And so, now that we've established that relying on referrals is the worst thing you could do, let's talk about what you can do, especially if you're a video business, right? This is primarily who I work with. If you're a video business, videographer, content agency, you need to understand that you could literally turn on a local ad today and wake up to new leads tomorrow and literally be able to close deals and have prospects wanting more information about your service within the next 24 hours. Do you understand what kind of control that brings to the business? Do you understand how much more peace you're going to have in business when you're in control? Like, today I want 20 leads. We just closed a sale. All right, let's get to 30 leads a day. All right, cool. I closed another sale. Let's up ad spend, launch a new ad, get to 40 leads a day. Okay, cool. Now we're really growing. Let's hire a team member. Like, that is the only way to actually scale this thing up. Organic content like this paired with ads. One brings in traffic, one sells the traffic, nurtures the traffic, builds trust with the traffic. And you need to understand that this is the game that you're missing out on. And if someone's telling you to do anything other than learn paid traffic, learn how to acquire customers through paid traffic, local ads, primarily on Instagram, because that is an untapped market, then you're being told the wrong thing. I know there's people out there. I just had a client come from like some coaching program, and he came from that program, and he literally paid them like 12 grand, and then they told him just go send cold DMs on LinkedIn. Said find leads like this in your city and just message them. That's just as bad as advice as rely on referrals. Horrible advice. Horrible. Let's be real. There's a lot of things you can't control in business, but the one thing you can control is the lead flow. That's the one thing you can control. I know exactly how many leads we're gonna get today, how many calls my team's gonna have, how many sales we're gonna make this month. If I want more sales, I can increase ad spend. You need to understand how logical this game is and not emotional. You're playing an emotional roller coaster game relying on these referrals, because 1 month you get 2 referrals, the next month you get 0, and 1 month you're feeling top of the world, and next month you're taking on any gig you can just to freaking live. Like, What kind of business is that? There's no infrastructure. And so, I don't care where you're at in your business. You need to understand that local ads are an absolute game changer. Absolute game changer. You can literally launch an ad within a day, have leads coming your way. And if you're halfway decent at sales, you can start booking them up and closing them. Absolutely insane. And this is literally we give our clients a play by play, like we give them the playbook on how to book them, how to close them, how to delegate the setting, how to close them, and collect money up front, and then sign them on a $2,500 monthly retainer after you get an implementation fee, right? But this is YouTube, so I'm not gonna like give you 90% of what's available to people that are in there. But my goal is to always plant seeds, shift your mindset, help you understand that this game is way bigger than what you think it is. And if you think just relying on referrals is going to get you to the next level, you're sadly mistaken. And my job's not to comfort you. My job's to slap you with some truth, so you can go make some money, so you actually get to enjoy your life, so you can live on the water and take care of your wife, retire your mom, retire your wife. Like if that's your goal, right? That's what I did, and it feels pretty damn good. But that would never have happened if I just relied on referrals. So hopefully this plants a seed and you're like, okay, it's time to dial in local ads. And so if you're a video business that's looking to scale, I'll attach a video step-by-step breakdown on how to run local Instagram ads, step-by-step. Absolute game changer. I'll attach it in the thing, in the description, whatever you call it. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe. If not, oh well. Have a good one, guys. Let's go.